here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I am at my parents' house. We are doing our annual sugar cookie baking day with my mom. Hi! We're trying to decide what shape we want to do. Normally we like fully plan this out, know exactly what we're doing. This year we're gonna mean it. Yeah, we're gonna do a repeat, but we're not sure which one. So the contenders as of now are mittens, gifts, reindeer. These might be the cutest ones we've ever done. These lights were really cute too. And we did hats that were really cute. I'll actually insert some of our older cookies so that you can see past ones that we've done. We decided on hats, mittens, and presents, and we're using a new sugar cookie recipe that my mom found that supposedly is guaranteed not to spread. So I will share, if the recipe turns out, I will share it below. If not, I will share the recipe that we've done in the past. So these are the ones we're doing.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da.
All right, they're in there and looks like they're not spreading. We'll see in 8 seconds.
I think those are done. Oh no, those aren't done.
Oh, those might be done. Okay, first batch is coming out.
Oh, they're really nice.
Yeah, those didn't spread. If you're making a bunch of cookies at once, we always just put the baking sheet in the sink with cold water to cool it off so that you can just keep using the same baking sheet over and over and over again without waiting. Pro tip.
And they're nice and light and perfect on the bottom. I think I like this recipe.
Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, change of plans. We came across these cute bottle brush trees, cookie cutters, and so we are going to make those and decorate them in the same colors as the presents. So today we're going to decorate the mittens and the hats. And then once we get the bottle brush tree cutter, which will probably be in a different video because we're not gonna have it probably this week. But when we do get it, I will update you guys in another video about what those look like. So we are gonna make all of the frosting and then I'll show you decorating.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, oh.
Frosting is done. You have to transfer it into airtight containers, like immediately, or it turns into cement. The first thing that we're doing is separating all of the icing into different airtight containers so that they can be separated by color. And then I'm mixing up all of the colors so that we can have different shades of green. That's what we chose to do this time. And getting the perfect color is a science. It does take some practice and just some trial and error. You can continue to add color to it and even add more white if you get it a little bit darker than you want it to be. But I'm just adding in different colors. and then you go in with the icing and outline everything in a thicker icing, and then you can add some water to the icing and fill everything in. So first we're doing the thicker layer, and now my mom is going in and doing the flow, which is the thinner icing in the same exact color, and just making it nice and smooth on the entire cookie. And you can see that we're leaving parts of it off so that we can make that white and look like snow. If you want the pattern of the cookie to sink into it and almost look like, in this case, the hat and mittens are knit with a pattern in the knit, then you want to put the design in it right when the cookies are still wet so that the accent color will almost sink in and everything will be super flat on the cookies. So that's what we decided to do this time. You can also wait for the frosting to dry completely and then add something in, and the design would be more raised.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Now I'm just filling everything in with the darkest color. I made this color last, and so obviously I'm filling all of them in. And then I decided I wanted to do hearts on mine, which is a design that we've done before. So I'm showing you here how to do it. You just put dots everywhere and then take a toothpick and start a little bit above the dot and just drag the toothpick to a little bit below the dot and then wipe it off. And it creates this really cute heart pattern, which you'll see it at the end when you see all of the designs done. But I think that they turned out really cute, and it's so much easier than it looks like it would be. Like I said earlier, we decided to leave some of the hats and mittens, the sides of them, white so that we can make it look like snow or just like fluffy material. And so here we are taking the white frosting, and then we're using nonpareils as soon as we're done frosting them so that the frosting is nice and wet, and dumping the nonpareils on there and then, you know, shaking off any excess. But this makes all of them stick really, really well.
Be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Alright, these are the finished product. And this is what we used for the snowy bottoms and tops. All right, that is it from us today. Hope you guys enjoyed decorating cookies with us again. We'll be back for our bigger, yes, our bigger cookie decorating day, or not decorating, but cookie day of all the other cookies that we're gonna make to send out to people, and for the bottle brush trees, which are gonna be so cute.
So fun.
So yeah, so subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.